Ganyan pag hindi mo sinasadya. Alam mo mataan mo.
Here's the upgrade car. The car has been upgraded. The car has been have a door and windows. Oh yeah, that's right.
Siguro itong bahay na pinipintahan natin.
Squishy, 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 squishy. All aboard, guys!
Ano yun yung train? Ang palabas yung train.
Dati ko ba yung lalo?
Train nga yung train.
Train crash. Eh, anong pangalan mo, Lala? Pangalan mo. Eh, ako yung Who's gonna drive something full? Then there's one more seat next to me. Who's gonna sit next to me? So you can see. Okay, are we all ready?
din yung maliit na
Ganito?
naglalaro din mag-isa. Kaya nga maiging, hindi kayo sanay na sa labas.
Lalaro ka ng isa.
Hindi kayo nasanay sa labas.
O lalaro sa
Hindi ko din sila
Labas?
naglalaro. Dun sa bayan.
Mami, search mo ba yung train of the
Teka
boat?
lang. Ayun. Ang bagyo. Palabas na yun. Christmas train movie. Teka lang.
Oh no!
Polar Express. Nalitan ako bigla. Si Polar Express. Tama ba? Polar Express.
Mami, tingnan mo, AC. Tingnan mo, AC. Mami, tingnan mo, AC.
Nalalam mo. Ayaw nilang maniwala sa Christmas, diba?
Mami, AC.
Easy.
Tapos,
Pangit.
CA.
CA. Pinagbaliktad lang yung pangalan nila eh, no? Pagka naman nagkamali pa na
Dapat
spelling
iba yung
sila eh. Bahala sila.
dapat iba yung pangalan ni CA. Ni kay CA.
Hmm.
Mami, buto ka.
Yo.
Buto ka. Miss Rabbit has fainted. Miss Rabbit has fainted. Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer. Titu. Alright guys, we're just need to park.
This girl was born into a family of shamans. She was born with the ability to communicate with spirits and enter other people's dreams. The elderly woman before her had been bedridden all day. So she entered the local stream to investigate the cause of her blindness. When she opened her eyes, she already knew what the problem was. She told the woman's son that the ancestral grave was in the wrong location. It was surrounded by water. The spirits of her ancestors could find no peace if the gravesite were moved to a sunny spot. The elderly woman agreed.
Kasalanan din sila may iskapon na maglalagano pag walang pagkain na pagkikinig lang po sa mga kapatid ko. Akala ko ba
Gary from next door banged on my front door, and when I opened it, he pointed at my porch. That flag has got to go, because this is a family neighborhood. I looked between my small rainbow flag and Gary. It's Pride Month, and my best friend just came out, so I'm being supportive. It's
Mami,
still
ito ba yung meeting ni,
we'll see about
Ha?
ni Kuya?
Hmm.
Ito ba yung meeting ni Kuya?
Laki naman yan. Ano si SpongeBob?
including a banner that said unnatural in
Si
letters.
Spudgy.
I got a second
Si
flag
Spudgy Bar.
next to the first
Mami, si Spudgy Bar na lang pangalan ni SpongeBob.
be a long month. Every
Si
flag I
SpongeBob.
added, Gary matched with 3 new
Hamster.
signs. His house was
Hamster.
completely covered, so he dragged a
Hamster.
ladder out of his garage and started digging things to his roof. His wife appeared in the doorway with her arms crossed. Gary, what in tarnation are you doing up there? You're gonna fall. I ain't gonna fall. Not even 30 seconds later, he fell into his own recycling bin, which tipped over when centuries worth of empty beer cans rolling down the driveway and into the street. Gary sat up in the bin and pointed at me across the street. This is all yours.
What do you mean?
Take those flags down
if you guys, who wants this? Guys, comment on my video who wants this. Bye.